Hello my sunshines. My recipe today is delicious braised short ribs. Just wonderful. Please press that subscribe and notification button. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. We have 1.5 packages of short ribs. Usually the short ribs come 4 in a pack, so this is a pack and a half, 6 of them, and they're already washed and dried and ready to be seasoned. These are the seasonings that we're going to use. Have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of complete, a 1/2 teaspoon of the powders, garlic and onion powder. We have 4 bay leaves. I have 4 garlic cloves minced, 1 onion sliced, and then we're gonna use beef broth. And I do my beef broth. We're gonna use 4 cups of boiling water, and we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon to that. And then something a little extra I'm gonna add to the mixture is better than bouillon, the chicken. Only 1/4 of a teaspoon of that. And we have a cup of flour here. And to this flour, I just added like 1/8 of a teaspoon of celery salt to the flour. And these are the seasonings that is needed for this recipe. Okay, I stirred all those seasonings, the salt is complete and the powders. And I'm gonna season all sides of the meat. All the sides will be seasoned. Meat is now seasoned. With this flour in the bag here, we're going to take each short rib. We're going to shake it up. We're going to coat that with flour. And shake off the excess flour. So, shake off that excess flour, and we're going to just coat each one, each short rib with flour. And shake off the excess flour. And we continue that until we coat each one. I added 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan, and I turned the heat on to medium, and I'm gonna let it get hot, let it heat up, and then I'm going to add the short ribs and brown the short ribs on all sides. This is beautiful. This is how you want your short ribs browned, all of them on all sides. That's how you want it, brown on all sides. And you have your heat on low. I'm sorry. And then we're gonna add the broth and the onions and garlic. Okay, actually I added 3 cups. This is 3 cups of beef broth that I made from boiling water and adding beef bouillon to it. And I had said 4 cups, but I added 3 in here, and then we have some for reserve in case we need to add more liquid to this. Okay, I've added the onions and the bay leaf and the minced garlic, and I also added the better than bouillon chicken to here, and it's to a boil now. I'm going to cover it and then turn it down to a low to medium for about 45 minutes to check it. I'm going to set my Fitbit watch for 45 minutes. Okay, the 45 minutes are up, and it's almost done. And I'm gonna let it cook for another half hour. And also, this is a good time to taste it, and see if you need to add anything. So, another half hour. The short ribs are now done. Dinner is now served. Braised short ribs with creamy mashed potatoes. Enjoy. Again, I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. Don't forget, please press that subscribe and notification button, letting you know when my next video is available. See you on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. Thank you.